I want you to think of a time in your life when you felt out of control. So you felt like you couldn't get a handle on your own emotions. You could not get a handle on where you were in space, and you felt overwhelmed that you kind of either shut down or were running away from whatever it was that brought that high response to you and to your nervous system. Today, I want to talk about three pretty simple tasks that you can do to bring you out of that trauma response or out of that fight or flight response that you can take with you, that doesn't cost any money, and is really easy to put in your back pocket. You can use it yourself, you can use it at work, and you can teach it to your kids. I am Dr. Allison Coffin. I am a chiropractic physician and a meditation expert, and I teach busy working moms easy doable ways to meditate and also actionable steps on how to make their life easier while they can be successful at work and at home, and whatever that success looks like for them. So today I'm going to talk about those three things that help calm our nervous systems down and bring us back to the present moment, which is something that a lot of us are searching for all the time. Okay, so the first thing is called a butterfly breath. You can take this with you. All you got to do is take your hands, you got to cross them over your chest, and they need to be crossed. It's important for the cross patterning of your brain and then also for the sensation that you'll feel. So all you do is just tap alternately on your chest, and you start to feel the sensation going in each side of your body. You just pay attention to the sensation, and it can calm your nervous system down. So you can do it fast or you can do it slow. And you just want to do it until you calm down. You can do this in any public space. It's very easy to do. Of course, you can do it in the privacy of your own home, but it's an easy thing to do to calm down your nervous system. The second one that is incredibly helpful, and many of us have heard of it, but I'm not sure if everybody has, so I am going to tell you about it. So we all know that we have five senses. And when you feel that incredible stress response, we're going to use those five senses to our advantage. So you're going to keep your hand up, or you can put it in your pocket, but I'm going to keep my hand up so you can see it. So first you're going to see what you see. Look around and name something that you see. Like, I see a door. Then I'm going to listen. What do I hear? I hear the heating system running. The next thing I'm going to do is, what do I taste? Like, in my mouth, I taste dryness, right? I should probably have some water. But you might taste like a mint or your lunch. Taste that. And then what do I feel? So where do you feel in your body? I feel myself sitting on my chair, but you might feel your feet planted in the ground. Or you might feel your heart racing in your chest. See what you feel. What is the last sense? See, touch, hear, taste, smell. Smell. And then the last one is you're going to smell. So what do I smell? I just smell the smell of my office. But you can smell anything. If you have a perfume, or if you want to smell your hair just to get the smell of your shampoo. Ooh, I smell my shampoo. So those are for your five senses, and it brings yourself back into awareness of your body and takes yourself out of that fight or flight response in your head. And then the last one that I want to talk about, that is good to bring you out of a really stressful situation, is to write it down. You can even take a Post-it and just write down your thoughts. Just write it down. It doesn't matter what it says or how neat it is. It's really not for somebody to read. It's just for you. So the action of moving your hand on a piece of paper, that kinesthetic learning and movement, gets you out of your head and that fight or flight response. And it can be really helpful and soothing for you to get your ideas out of your mind and onto paper. So those are my three action steps that you can take when you're in a really high stress response or you're feeling overwhelmed by the world. And I know I felt that way before, as a mom and the things going on, and then also as a working person. And it's sometimes it can be a lot. So to pull yourself out of that and have some good tools in your toolbox, please use them. So if you would like more of this, and then also a free 5-minute guided meditation, click the link below and you'll get that. And you'll also be on our email list, so you'll be the first to see videos that come up, and you can click on the ones that sound good to you. I want you to remember that the peace and calm that you create today creates a generation of peaceful people, and I am so happy that you're here.